description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we've got one from Singapore. This is Vecorn Hiam dried noodles. And if you like prawn like I like prawn, boy, you really are going to enjoy this. This is lots of prawn, yum, yum, yum. I'm going to tell you that right from the get-go. If you don't like seafood, there is something horribly wrong with you. I'm going to drop that in right now. We're going to start our timer. We got 4.5 minutes, and once it's done, oh, boysies! So how's it going? It is January. It's funny. It's funny. It's February 10th, 2025. 6. So this year I decided that I was going to work really hard and not call it 2025 when the year changed. I've done that for years, It's like, oh, it's going to be this. Well, it is going to be this, but I keep forgetting. I'm not forgetting, but I'm just so used to calling it the formerly known as year, name, number, nomenclature. And so I had no problem with it, except for the fact that when I was writing stuff down, when it should have been like, I don't know, 01/03 2026, I kept wanting to write 12/03 2026. And now all I can think about is calling February January. So that's the thing. Went out, did a big long walk. That was fun. Just got done having lunch with my beautiful wife, the queen of all my dreams, the kit. And yeah, it was nice. We watched a little bit of the Olympics, like 10 minutes of it. I tell you, man, those Olympic announcers, they're insane. Oh, just a superb landing by blah blah blah. Oh, and really she noticed something. So they're all about the podium. Everybody wants to be on the podium. And it's like they said podium like 50 times. I think they've got a great chance at being on the podium, Bob, But she said there were like enormous boxes of tissues when they would get their numbers. I'm going to do this. I want this stuff to be like free flowing and easy on the draw. Ooh, it's gonna be hot though. Yeah, the podium. Who doesn't want a podium? Actually, a lot of people want a podium. There was a thing called Podium Gate that I learned from my buddy Stumpy in North Little Rock. Apparently, their governor, what's her name? Sarah Huckabee Sanders. She like bought a podium, and she had her friend, who I guess maybe sells podiums. I don't know, but she got a new podium, and it was like 90 grand. Who pays $90,000 for a podium? Does it write your speeches for you? But yeah, she got in hot water for that. I think they called it Podium Gate. There, that should help greatly with this stuff. Oh yeah, that's way more free flowing. Cool. I've always had a trouble stirring up this stuff, and I think heating it will make a buku huge difference. Yes. Just look how we stuck that landing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Quick. This episode was brought to you in part by our Patreon members. It allowed me to go get what do you call it? Cilantro at the store. Honestly, I'd like to use mint, but our store doesn't have any good mint. That's for sure. And it's always wilty and bent. And I can't stand bent mint. But yeah, because I am Poe right now, and the cilantro was 99 cents, so dare I say, as they say everywhere other than here, coriander. Alright, let's get this happen. Oh, the flowers are like toast. Alright, let's see how this goes. I'm really curious. Come and see. You can. I'm not going to hit you. I'm not the hitting type. Okay, let's go. So you put it in there. Look at that. Oh my god. I know what's going to happen, because in about an hour and 20 minutes, give or take 5 or so, my wife will come out here and she'll be like, "What's that smell?" We've been saying that for a long time. "What's that smell? What's the smell? What's that smell?" But that smell is going to be strong prawn flavor, and I think there's a lot of folks. I don't think my wife will be super into it. I am, though. Alright. Oh, yeah. That's the heaven. The heaven I like to go to. Oh, it's still having trouble with that. And I don't know that it's just, I don't know how to combine it correctly, because it doesn't want to stay all those bits are where it's at. This stuff right here, it's like prawn bits, and it's super wonderful, good stuff. It's really good. I wish I could make it look more combined nicely, but I'm not able to do that. Doesn't make it any worse. It's wonderful. Alright. Let's have some wonderful time. I'm going to talk to you about the wonderfulness of Malaysian cuisine. Oh, baby. We went to Malaysia, me and my wife, and we had some of the most amazing food in ever. I want to come back to Malaysia, please. Wow. Someday you will understand, if you really care about your life, and you will visit Malaysia and you will try the wonderful foods that they have there, and you will feel an absolute magnetism to wanting to return there and try the food. It's mind-blowing. And the camera's in the way. I'm going to add a lot of this over here. Do it like that. But yeah, it's Hiam. It's like shrimp meat and other stuff, and it's all together. It's like got chewy. that right there. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know that it's a standard accompaniment, but I took some chashu and I fried it. It seemed like a good combo. Chopped coriander. You guys made that happen. Thank you so much. Chopped coriander. Fried egg. Running low on those. And the spoon was found. Heavens be praised, the spoon was found. My late friend, the Reverend Dick Gazinia. Now this is Malaysian sambal crunch from Hiam. Oh my God. And you know what this is? This is another style of Hiam. And it's wonderful. Alright, so now we're going to add a little bit of seed. Are we calling it a day on this? I think we are. Look at that. Yes. Well, a huge thank you to you for making cilantro happen, to Vecorn for sending product, to Hiam for sending their Hiam, and yeah, go check out all my other stuff. I got tons of videos, top 10s, bottom 10s, and over 5,000 reviews over on www.theramenraider.com. Please check it out and consider joining Patreon and helping out too. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.